So since many of us are trying to conserve our disinfecting wipes and other store-bought cleaning products for the high-touch surfaces in our home, like the doorknobs or the countertops, I'm going to show you guys a few cleaning hacks you can do using stuff you probably already have around the house. So the first thing I'm going to clean is my messy microwave. I'm going to start with a bowl. I'm going to add to it a few tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. You can also use white vinegar. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of water and a couple lemon slices. Then I'm going to place a small wooden spoon in it so it doesn't boil over. I'm going to set it on high for about 1 to 2 minutes in the microwave. Now that the steam has worked its magic on all of these sauce splatters, I'm just going to grab a sponge, and it's so easy to wipe down the walls. So an easy cleaning hack for silverware or anything silver plated, like today I'm cleaning the lid of a silver plated serving dish, is to just take some white toothpaste. You want to use the non-gel kind and just put it on a toothbrush and use it to scrub the surface. I'm going to dip in a little bit of water. And it works pretty quickly to start to remove any of the tarnish that is on the metal. You just want to use a small circular motion. So I just rinsed it off, dried it, and now it looks brand new. So next I'm going to clean my cast iron skillet. I'm going to start by just taking some salt, sprinkling it all over the bottom of the pan. Then I have a potato that I cut in half, and I'm going to use it to rub all of the salt in a circular motion until all of the rust is off of the bottom of the pan. This is working really well. As you can see from how dirty all of the salt's getting, all of the rust is coming off of the pan, and now I'm just going to go give it a rinse in the sink. Okay, so I just rinsed the pan and dried it off. And now to re-season it, I'm gonna pour in some vegetable oil. I'm gonna take a paper towel, make sure the pan is entirely coated before I'm gonna set it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 1 hour, and the pan is going to look beautiful and brand new.